Hello friends, we will discuss isomerism means molecules having same molecular formula, different chemical and physical properties, and isomerism is of two types, structural and stereo. In structural isomerism, same molecular formula, different structural formula means relative position is different, and in stereo, same molecular formula, same relative position but different orientation of groups. And in this lecture we are going to discuss geometrical and optical isomerism in Ma2B2C2 type complexes. They have three different type of ligand. First we are going to discuss fully trans. Fully trans means both A are at 180 degree, both B are at 180 degree, and both C ligands are 180 degree. So it has very much symmetry in it. Whenever there is symmetry in the molecule, this molecule becomes optical inactive. So it may have many plane of symmetries in it. That's why it will be optical inactive, but it will show geometrical isomerism. You are seeing that it has 180 degree angle, and now you see this is the C2 axis. C2 axis, if you rotate the molecule around any C2 axis, there are three visible. Any C2 axis you will find the same configuration two times if you rotate the molecule around this by 360 degree angle. अगर आप इसको 360 डिग्री से रोटेट करते हैं किसी भी एक्सिस के अराउंड, यू विल गेट सेम टाइप ऑफ कॉन्फ़िगरेशन टू टाइप. I means inversion. It has inversion symmetry also, because if you go plus x plus y minus y plus z minus z direction by same distance, you will find the same atom. So it has inversion symmetry also. Now we will check plane of symmetry. As I discussed, it has many planes of symmetry. You can see the first plane has metal 2A and 2B ligand while bisecting two C ligands, and other one is bisecting two B ligands, and third one is bisecting two A ligand. You can consider any colored atom by any ligand, whether A or B or C. आप A, B, C किसी को भी मान सकते हैं. तो ये 5 एटम्स को प्लेन अपने अंदर कॉन्स्टिट्यूट करता है, लेकिन दो एटम्स को इक्वली डिस्टेंस पे कट करता है. तो आप देखेंगे प्लेन के राइट और प्लेन के लेफ्ट, या प्लेन के अबव और प्लेन के बिलो, यू विल गेट सेम टाइप ऑफ एटम. सो इट इज ऑप्टिकल इनएक्टिव. नाउ वी विल सी अदर ज्योमेट्रिकल आइसोमर. सिस फॉर ऑल मीन्स ऑल ligands are cis. Both A are at cis, both B ligands are at cis position, means at 90 degree angle, and both C are also present at 90 degree angle. So you can check whether this will be optical active or inactive. Can you find any symmetry plane in it which can bisect this in two mirror halves or two equal halves? No, you cannot find. From wherever you cut it, you will never get same equal or two identical halves which are mirror image to each other. That's why it will be optical inactive. Whether you cut it from xy plane or yz plane or zx plane, it will never show symmetry. So we can say that Ma2B2C2 trans is optical inactive, but fully cis isomer is optical active. Similarly, if you take any two ligand A or B or C trans while other four at cis, then there will be one symmetry element, means plane of symmetry, and this will be optical inactive. Suppose you change purple atom by green, it will become optical active. In this picture you can replace purple by red, then it will become optical active. Any two atom, if you replace or if you exchange, then the molecule will become optical active. So this was the fully cis. We can constitute trans to A, trans to B or trans to C, means not fully trans. This one is Ma2BCDE. You can see there are two similar ligands. It means there can be constituted a plane. एक प्लेन जिसमें से मेटल A, B, C D उसमें से पास होगा और क्या होगा, दो A आपस में सेम डिस्टेंस पे होंगे। जैसे यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं दो पर्पल सेम डिस्टेंस पे हैं, तो मैं प्लेन में रेड, ग्रीन, सेंटर मेटल, वाइट और ब्लैक एटम को प्लेन के अंदर ले लूँगी। तो एक पर्पल देखो राइट साइड पे, एक पर्पल ब्लैक लेफ्ट साइड पे, तो ये इक्वल हाफ पे हैं, तो इट विल नेवर शो ऑप्टिकल एक्टिविटी। मॉलिक्यूल में अगर कहीं पे जरा सी भी सिमेट्री आ जाती है तो वो मॉलिक्यूल ऑप्टिकल एक्टिव से इनएक्टिव में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है। सो टू रिप्रेजेंट ऑप्टिकल एक्टिविटी दिस इज एन एसेंशियल कंडीशन कि मॉलिक्यूल में कोई भी सिमेट्री एलिमेंट नहीं होना चाहिए। सो यू कैन सी दिस वे, यस you see there are two purple atom, so now all dissimilar or different colored atoms are in the plane, so it is bisecting the molecule into two equal halves and both equal halves are identical and mirror image to each other. Right side of the plane and left side of the plane are identical. So this is MA2BCDE type complex. It means it has 5 different type of ligands, and because there are two similar ligands A, that's why it has plane of symmetry, and because of this plane of symmetry it will not show optical isomerism and it will be optical inactive. But if we replace this one A ligand by next ligand F, means all different ligands, means metal should have 6 different kind of ligands A, B, C, D, E, F. It naturally it will have chirality, but right now it does not have chirality, therefore it is optical inactive. Yes, you can check 5 atom ligands which are single, means B, C, D, E, all are inside the plane, but both A are above and below or right or left of the plane. That's why it is bisecting the molecule and making molecule optical inactive. Now we will discuss A, B, C, D, E, F, means all 6 ligands are different. Yes, here is the picture. You can visualize 1A, 1B, 1C, 1D, 1E. Can you imagine how many geometrical isomers it has? It has 15 different isomers. First, in which A and B are trans. Then you can make 3 different isomers when A and B are trans. Similarly, keeping A and C trans, you can make 3 more isomers. Then A and D trans, you can make again 3 isomers. And putting A and E transposition, you can make 3 different isomers. Similarly, if A and F ligands are trans, you can make 3 more different isomers. So ultimately you can constitute 15 geometrical isomers, but it does not have any symmetrical axis or any symmetry of plane. Therefore, it is an optical active compound. All 15 isomers will have 15 different mirror images. So ultimately M, A, B, C, D, E, F can have 30 isomers, 15 geometrical and 15 their optical mirror images. But because of flipping nature, it does not show optical activity. Hence, it is optical inactive compound. जबकि इसमें 6 different ligands हैं, chirality है, but because of flipping nature, that's why it is optical inactive. Thank you.